That's a silly question, Tails. You should know that. Your fur stunk as bad as a giant mud puddle.
I don't think I smell that bad.
You never think you smell bad when it's coming from yourself. Believe me, others made me learn that before.
But Sonic,
Tails, please. I don't feel like listening to complaints. Just go watch some TV downstairs and I'll fix you some lunch after fixing up the bathroom.
Why does he have to make me do it? I don't even like that.
Tails, is everything alright down there? Tails, what's going on down? Tails! Tails, what happened? You okay? What hurts, little buddy? Let me take a look. Hey, don't worry, Tails. I won't hurt you. Let's see it now. Come on. Sorry, little bro. It's alright. You'll be okay. Everything will be fine. Let's get that cut all fixed up. Just breathe in. Take it in slowly. That's good. Keep at it. Keep your legs still. Easy does it. What did I just tell you? Oh, never mind now. Steady now. Steady. There we go. Now you stay put. I'll get something for that injury. Don't move. Come on, where is it? Hold tight, little guy. I'll be right there. Alright, how about we get you all patched up here? It's alright. I won't let you get hurt. Rest your head on my shoulder. It won't seem so bad then. It's okay, kid. He'll be good soon. How about we get you all cleaned up here? Alright? You alright, little bro? Does it feel weird?
Just a little.
Don't worry. It won't take long.
What's that?
It's a little something to make you better. Let's leave it at that. Now I want to warn you. This will sting. Just for a bit. But I promise, it will help you feel better. That serious? Alright, pinky swear. You ready? Just hang on to me. I'll be done in a flash. All done, Kura. So how do you feel, Kura? Better?
Maybe a little.
Don't worry. He'll get better in no time. Trust me. You know, you're a brave kid for being so strong just now. It isn't easy for a kid as young as you to keep still in such a spot. You know, you put yourself down too much. Of course, really. Here's a little treat for being so brave.
Thanks, Sonic.
No prob, bud. I'll go make us some chili dogs to eat. Sound cool?
Yeah!
Alright. You just watch some TV. I'll get them ready.
Chad, let me talk, Carol.
Translate that for...
My name is Waverton. May I introduce my wife?
Whatever it is about that show that excites him so much, I'll never know.